Hello, welcome to the Collective Getting Started Guide. Here I teach you how you get started in Collective. Alright, this is gonna be my version of a get started guide, and hopefully I'll help you understand how to get it better, how you get better at this game, and how to navigate this game complex UI and stuff like that. For now, let's start with the gameplay mechanics. So I go into the practice, and I pick a deck. I pick a little government. And a good aggro deck. Okay, and I teach you the mechanics of the game. Alright. So at the start of every game, you'll be given 4 cards. And you can choose which card to mulligan into your back into your deck. So for example, I don't want this. Okay. At the start of every turn you gain 1 mana, 1 XP. So what XP do? Well, XP is the way how hero level up. Don't worry, they're not permanent. They're non-persistent. It works like a mobile game, except they're 1v1 and it's a card game. So in every level, your hero will get a level up reward, and also they have a passive. For example, at level 2, if you get to up to 4 XP, then you get Cassius, a 2/2 flyer for 2. And she'll be summoned to the battlefield, not into your hand, into the battlefield. And this is her end reward, level 5 reward, her end reward. And we're using a skin right now because that's how I do it. Now then, the way to win in collective is to reduce your enemy opponent to help, and the game is based on a play and pass system. So I play a card, he play a card. Okay, let's try that again. I play a card, he play a card. See? Now then, if you want to level up faster, then read this. 2 XP when you attack with 1 unit, meaning that I have to attack with only exactly 1 unit. Also, what this ability? What this? The initiative. Initiative said that you play first and your attack happens first this turn. Yes, the turns are simultaneous, as you can see here. Meaning that you both attack at the same time and defend at the same time. And see, I activate my passive. Yeah, see. Now then, see, I level up, meaning that I'm level 2 and I got my hero reward. Cash it into the battlefield. Now then, you don't always have to obey the passive. You go with how you win the game, meaning that you go with the facts and the logic behind the game. For example, I'm gonna play this. So that means I can play D2 next turn. Now then. See, I don't exactly attack with 1 unit, meaning I don't get the passive, but I deal more damage to the hero. Every hero have a different keyword. For example, flying, what you expect. They cannot be blocked by non-flying unit, unless then we have a flying unit or duelist unit. Duelist unit are basically Hearthstone units that can attack directly. Attack any enemy unit directly. And this unit have deadly, meaning kill any unit it damages. Now we play this. And we play this. I'll go combat. And as you see, I attack with one unit again, and I gain the passive. I proc the passive again. Okay, no, the enemy unit is... yeah, they're flying too. I have this. And let's go for the win. Okay, so... I'm just finishing the game right now so I can get to the biggest aspect of this game. Okay. Now then. The biggest aspect of this game is a community created card. That's right, the community created card game where all the cards are created by the community. We get to shape the meta and we get to shape what card get into the game. So now we go into the collection. Here where you will collect your cards. And now to get cards, you don't buy packs or scrounge for duds. Instead, you earn amber. Amber the way how you craft all these cards. Yes. Some of the cards is amazing, or some of it is okay or average, or some of them is like that. But I will show you one of the more amazing one. Like this one. This one look amazing. Or even this one. Or even this one. Okay. Alright. To earn amber, you earn them from playing the game in matches or with the battle pass. I'll talk about the battle pass later. Right now, I have the Starlight Pendant actor. What's the Starlight Pendant? I will show you. The Starlight Pendant is get every card in the game. That's why you get every card in the game. Meaning that if you pay $30, so it's $30, then you get every card in the game. And that means you get every future card as well. No, this is a shop. This way you can get your heroes, cosmetic, emotes, and the battle pass. The battle pass is how you earn amber and gold. Gold used to acquire a hero and a cosmetic. Marble used to acquire hero, cosmetic, and the battle pass. Or you can buy the pass tier. Right now I have I only can only earn gold because I bought the Starlight Pendant. The Starlight Amber only appear when you don't have the Starlight Pendant. Okay. Next, we'll go to the card creator. But I recommend this. You go here, and you go to the website. Why do I recommend the website? Because it's better to code the card that way. I mean block the card. So there's a card creator. The card creator where you can create the card you dreams. So for example, I can new piece. I can I can create a card right now. Call it terrifying Terrify spider. Terrifying spider. Spider. Horror. Yeah, they're multi-tribe. You can add multi-tribe to this game, to this card. And then you can change the name of the artist who did it. But I recommend you keep the name of the artist the way it is. And you can put in the designer. And now we can create a summon ability. So that target, opponent, target. You see, it's a bit complicated, but you'll get the hang of it. There are a lot of good people that can help you create a card of your dreams. For example, if you want to get the best out of the game, then join the Discord. The Discord where you can help get the community help you create cards. They can judge how your card is. They can help give you constructed criticism for your card, and help you create the best card ever. And now we'll go back here. Give a animal unit -2 attack. Let me see here. Change the HP. Negative. There you go. Simple card design. Simple card block. So you don't have to create a complicated card. You could, or simple card will always get more output, but as you see here, we created a card. Now then, the affinity. What are affinity? Affinities are basically our faction for, or our colors for this game. There's mine, as you see here. No, spirit, as you see here. And strength, as you see here. Now then, I also recommend you go on the wiki to learn what all of these are. So, affinities, identity. You can see here the identity chart. Affinity previous graphics going on to the week. See, and you can see here what primary and all this is how you learn which card which abilities and what type of effects and what type of effects and ability belong to which color and what fit them the best. That way you won't get penalized or get bad criticism. For example, Spirit cannot have flying unit, but they can have leap unit, which basically reach from Magic the Gathering, which means they can block flying units. Now then, let's get back to creating this card. Make it a Spirit unit, and I make it a 3/4, 1, 6, and then there you go. You created a card. Really cool thing that you can create the card in the game editor like this. But it is recommend that you upload your own artwork. See art uploading label. As you see here, player who own the premium season pack can upload art here. The premium season pack can be purchased in-game client with Marble, which means you don't have to use the really bad version of MS Paint to create your artwork. You can use Photoshop, Krita, and any other art program to upload your artwork here. Now then, let's save our card. keep the artist name and the name here. Also, we have collaborator. You can add a collaborator here, so that means they get the card frame and the rule for it. Or what do we? Oh yeah, I forgot. Every week the weekly top 10 card get into the game, meaning that they have to be voted on the subreddit. Wanted to collect the subreddit? Right here. As you see here, we are uploading tons of. Oh, we're uploading tons of cool card here. See? So anyway, the weekly upvoted top 10 card that get voted on the subreddit get into the game. For example, for season 2, week 7, we got the top 10 upvoted cards here, and some updates and a cosmetic update. Updates and cosmetic update are way to how we update the game and keep the meta fresh and not break the game immediately. But they might have upvote that surpass or equal over the top 10 T 10th card into the game. If you want to update a card or cosmetic update a card. Cosmetic updates are free. They're always free, but updates you can have free update each week. So please be careful with them. They're the only way how we update the card. Okay. So right now we created a card. We're gonna edit collaborator. So split the reward evenly. So we're gonna put in fishing, add. Now we added this. Yes, I have a big collection of cards I created for this game. Some of them got into the game, some of them didn't get into the game. But as you see here, we get a card. Now then, we go into the game and we test the card. Here's the card creator. It's better to create the card in the browser first and then test the card in the in-game card creator editing mode. So for example, we will play this. We will keep our hand and we will skip a couple of turns to see if our card works. Okay. Now then, in-game creator is useful testing card. For web performance, we recommend using the card creator in your web browser. As you can see here, this tip is really helpful. It will save you a lot of time. Now then, reload this card. And the better way to test this card is to lower the mana to 0 for now and see if the card works. For example, we're gonna give this 0 attack and see it work. Yeah, as you see, we created a simple card. Also, if we didn't like how this card play, or we can give it additional ability, like I can give it a passive ability, active ability, trigger ability, or keywords. So innate, leap, type on, a lot of other stuff, cool stuff. Yeah, there are a lot of keywords. But oh, you'll get the hang of this. It's actually really easy. It's actually really easy to understand because the people there in our Discord are really helpful to help you out. Yeah, help you create your card and make sure it's the best balanced card ever. You can see Now then, what am I forgetting? Oh yeah, oh yeah. In every match, when you win or lose a game of collective, you'll be prompted to vote on a card. What does the voting look like? It looks something like this. And then you will either have to pick a downvote button or upvote button. In-game upvote are count as twice. That means they count 2 more times than a regular subreddit upvote. Meaning that it recommends you to play the game if you want the best outcome for your card to get into the game. I see, they're a really cool card, but there's no neutral button. Why that? Because the devs want you to participate in the voting process. Alright, they want you to vote, even though you don't have no idea what the meta looks like. But it's good. It's simple. It's a quick and painless process. There's no neutral button because they don't want you to be neutral about this. They either want you to click on a upvote button or downvote button. So yeah, we're gonna click on upvote button. Now then, and I mentioned before, every time you win or lose a game of collective, you'll be sent to a voting box. You can either vote, which will earn you 10 gold, a 10 gold coin for the gold resource, or you don't have to vote at all. Now then, daily rewards. I see you have daily quests, Wiki one wins, achievement to help you gain amber and gold. The achievement will help you build up your collection a bit more. So that this. There are also seasonal achievements, single player achievement, multiplayer achievement, other achievement, and complete achievement. Let's see here. And the season pass, as you can see here. The more important thing I will stress is that this game has no loot boxes. No loot boxes at all. You don't get anything random. You know exactly what you're getting. This is a great game to play. No. There's the library. The library will help you learn more about the game. As you can see here. It will tell you about realm rewards, tutorial, card creator tutorial, lore, the process, new keywords, all the other stuff, and FAQ. They also work at a news and link. They also offer news about the game and the links about the game. So you may be asking, what are realms? Realms are set of cards that come from the same world on all land and Wanderstar. The type was said, as you see, you can find a list of realm here. And what a realm. When realm get enough cards of a certain rarity, then they get reward, either age completing reward or attempt to get a legendary rarity card into the game. I can see here. As you see here, you cannot create a new until you have set regarding a new card into the game. We recommend you work on that before using the rest of the information of realms. Yeah, as you see here, I have a realm. Alright, I will tell you, I will simply advertise that my realm is Yamato. Is a samurai. Is a realm inspired by samurai and Far East Asian trope. And I see here, I can see here, this is how realms work. Basically, so why do realms exist? Because basically, because in the lore, all the cards come from a different world. They're not part of Wanderstar. Wanderstar is the main planet, the main location where this game takes place. You see, there also you see there are even a lot more rules to tell you what lore tutorial to tell you what this game is. But for right now, I think I did a good job at explaining how to how to um how to get started into the game. I can see here, new player constantly creating card artwork, and most of the artwork look amazing, like this one and this one. and this one, this one, this one. Hopefully you enjoy the video. As you see here, create anything, make any card you can command, you can test it out. Then we're going to submit cards to collective subreddit, see everyone design, vote on them. Yes, you must have a Reddit account if you want to vote on cards and make Reddit the most popular card. I want to add it to the game every week. Yes. Now then, how do you get collective? You can collect it and download on Steam. Right. You can see here. We go in the collective. I recommend you watch this video and this video. And as you can see here, the game has changed a lot. We didn't have that vote. We used to have this, but it was too complicated for players. So we downgraded to only one card, one card, and after every games, you see I have about 50 hours, but don't let that fool you. I actually might have over 100 hours in this game. Let's see. Yes. So now you know how collective work, and hopefully you enjoy the getting started to player to guide video. Thank you for watching, and if and and you can ask me anything in the comments. Alright, bye.